Welcome to Stock Trades. In this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to replay a video that we went ahead and made back on October 29, right? So I felt like it's important to essentially go in and go over a couple of calls that we made on the channel to essentially teach you guys exactly how to use data and research to essentially make smart decisions to make money. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open up this video. This video, again, I make a bunch of videos. I don't really go back on them, but I felt like this was definitely important. If you go to this video, stock market bottom, on October 29, we went ahead and we found some data points to suggest that the Chinese stock market was definitely undervalued. And a lot of data has been shown to instigate that perhaps maybe the market will recover. So we're going to go ahead and play this, and we're going to see it. And that might actually happen. Likewise, China. So if you look at Chinese internet stocks, you can see that they've fallen greater than 55%. But ladies and gentlemen, whenever we get a signal like this, a signal that's so low, look at the return that we can see. Over 100% return on average. And what's interesting here, if you look at the behemoth, the gorilla, Tencent, you can see that if you look at their stock repurchasing share buyback programs, you can see that they timed it really well in 2005 and 2006, and the stock did amazing. And guess what they're doing now? The executives at Tencent, a Chinese company, are buying back their shares at a rate that we have not seen before in the history of Chinese stocks. And I'm telling you, why would they buy it back? Why would they buy back their company? So again, there's a lot of scarcity within the Chinese. You don't really own the shares, and it's just a headache to deal with. But we are starting to see big companies buy back, and when they do really well. Likewise, if you look at the dollar. All right, so as you can see there, this is our call out back on October 29. It's unfortunate because if you go in and if you look at where's one comment that I chuckled, but I don't know if Mr. Frank, if you're still watching, but you specifically stated, "You lost me when you mentioned China. China has no place in discussion." So check this out, Frank. If you look at the data this October 29 and look at any Chinese company, I want you to go ahead, type in Tencent and look at October. We made the video on literally October 28, and then on the weekend, October 29, we made the video, and we literally caught the bottom, right? And if you essentially looked at this increase, it's literally a 56% increase. And if you look at the data points, I specifically stated a year to 12 months will be over 100% gain. And this is what? November, December, 2 months with a 56% gain? Let's go ahead and look at JD. That's a Chinese company. Let's go ahead and look up 6 months. And again, I made the video on October 29. And as you can see, October 28 was a Friday, and on 29 was a Saturday. And look at that. We literally caught the bottom right there at 51% gain. Same thing with Alibaba. So as you can see here, if you utilize data and analyze all the data points and utilize quantitative analysis, fundamentals, and also technicals, you can essentially get ahead. Unfortunately, you're going to have to put the emotions at the garbage stop, okay? So we're going to go ahead, get back to our research. It's been a while since I've shown you guys research. I have a lot of great things to share with you guys, some bearish, but yet again, you cannot have always good news. It's all yin and yang. If you enjoyed this video and essentially want me to show how to essentially read these types of statistical analysis research, let me know. Comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, and I will see you on the next one.